The first station at Shrub Hill was opened in 1850, being jointly owned by the Oxford, Worcester and Wolverhampton Railways and the Midland Railways. Until 1852 it was used only as a terminus for the letter services from Birmingham. The present-day station building was designed by Edward Wilson and built in 1865. It is a Georgian-style building, mainly of engineering brick with stone facings. A key feature is the Grade 2 listed waiting rooms seen below. Originally, there was also a train shed which was removed in the 1930s. The cast iron railings of the station staircases remain hidden by boarding. The survival at the station are the Western Region semaphore signals and the almost unique large round main aspect banjo signal, located halfway along platform 1. The station is served by Cafe Loco, which is situated opposite the booking office at the main entrance. It is one of 2 railway stations serving the city of Worcester. It is managed by West Midlands Trains, operating here under the West Midlands Railways brand, and it also served by Great Western Railway. The Platform 2B waiting room of Worcester Shrub Hill is Grade 2 listed and reopened in 2015 following a 10-year refurbishment project. So we'll get started here at Worcester Shrub Hill with 800 036, working the 0950 Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern to Oxford. Next train to arrive at the station is 172213 and 172215, working the 0933 West Midlands Railway service from Dorwich to Worcester Foregate Street. All turned around and ready to go. 172215 and 172213 depart for Worcester Foregate Street.
Look at it with its fucking. Oh, we'll do your recording first.
But hang around, what's this? It's the return of 172213 and 172215, working the 0947 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to Stratford upon Avon via Dorwich. Next to depart from the station is 165130, working the 0945 Great Western Railway service from Salisbury to Worcester Foregate Street. And all turned around and ready to go. 172215 and 172213 depart for Stratford upon Avon via Dorwich. You can say that. Next train out for departure is 165-130, working the 0956 Great Western Railway service from Worcester Forgard Street to Bristol Temple Meads. Next arrival into the station is 800-010, working the 0958 Great Western Railway service from Oxford to Great Malvern, running 7 minutes late.
It is as well.
And here comes our train in the form of 802-017, working the 1016 Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern to Oxford. I know.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.